Hello friends, I am Mirza Osama. You are welcome in my YouTube channel. This is Python tutorial 5. So today we will discuss about flow controls, if statements, else if statements, string format. So without wasting any time, let's start. So for that purpose, let's declare a variable x is equal to let's declare a variable and initialize with it with name. So USAMA Osama. Another variable and initialize and it will 24. So let's take input from the user in PUT input your age input your age and let's assign it to the y. So now at this time age is in string, so let's convert it into the integer. So int y. So now we have to check whether the user entered age is greater than or less than or equal to 24. So we will use if statement. So this is the syntax of if statement. Write keyword if, then put test condition. So here we will put if age if y is greater than equal to 24, and then we will put here a colon. After that, in if block we will write the code that if this condition satisfies, then we will print here print here you are able to vote. So this is how we can use if statements. Let's run it and check. So let me to clear my screen. So here it is asking for inputting age, your age. So my age is 25. So here at the bottom we can see I have put input and the output is you are able to vote. So this is how we can use if flow control. So let's discuss another flow control, which is elif. So if we have to check multiple condition, we use elif. So what is elif? let's discuss here. elif elif, this is keyword elif, and we after writing this keyword we put test condition. So let's test another condition. If y is greater than equal to 55, after that we have again to put a colon, then in elif block we will put the output print print you are able to vote, sir. So let me to clear my screen and let's run it and check what will happen here. So here again I will put my age. So let's suppose I have entered 56. So you are able to vote. So in this time, so at this time both the condition are same. So y is also greater than 24 and y is also greater than 55. So at this time both the conditions are satisfied. So compiler just run the first condition because the first condition is true. So compiler don't need to check the other condition. So let's change the condition and run it again. So here we can check here if compiler is age is greater than equal to 20. So then print here yes, you are able to vote, sir. So let's run it. Enter your age. My age is, let's suppose my age is 21. So here we have you are able to vote. As you can see here, you are able to vote. So this is how we use if statement and elif statement. So there is another statement which is else statement. So else statement is always followed by the if statement or if else statement. So here the same syntax of the else statement. So we don't need to put here condition because it is the last statement. So here we will just print print hello. Now the what compiler will do, compiler will check the if condition if y is greater than 24. If it is not true, then compiler will check if y is greater than equal to 20. If it will not be true, so at the last compiler will print this statement by default. So we can say this is the default statement. because it don't have any condition. So if neither any condition satisfies, then compiler will automatically print this only word. So let's check it after running. So let me to clear my screen. So here enter your age. So let's suppose I am putting my age less than 20. I am putting 19. So here by default we have hello. So this is how we can use flow controls, if statement, elif statement and else statement. I hope you have understand. So let's start another topic, which is string format. So string format is used to beautify string with a beautiful syntax. So let's take an example. print x plus print hello plus x plus your age is plus y. So this is an ugly syntax. So here what will be printed here, hello Usama, your age is the entered age, yani means the age that I have entered. So let's run it. What will be printed? So first of all, compiler asked me to enter my age, so I have entered here 20. So here we have an error that we must have to put hello world in our quotation mark, and here I have to put x out of quotation mark and y also out of quotation mark. So let's again run it. So let me to clear my screen. clear, and let's run it. Enter your age. So my age is 20. So here again an error. Let's read that error. So here we have another error. We have to change it into a string. So we will use here str string function to convert from integer to string. So let's again run it. clear, run it. Enter your age. My age is 20. Hello. Hello Sama, your age is 20. So it is written here, hello Sama, your age is 20. This is an ugly syntax. We can use here string format, and this is the syntax of string format. We just have to put an F before quotations, and then we have to put our statement that we want to write. HE hello. Hello, and now we will use here a placeholder, and then hello your age is another placeholder, and in these placeholder we will put our variable. So here in these placeholder we will put our variables. So hello x contains my name, which is Usama, and your age is in y variable. So let's check it after running. So here I have to put my age is 24. So here hello Sama, your age is 24, we have printed here. So this is an easy and simple way to format a string. So I hope you all have understand. If you have any question in your mind, you can ask me in comment box. I will be pleased to answer. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.